Oh my goodness, it started raining. Somebody's prepared. I am definitely not prepared. Oh my gosh, it's raining.
Yeah.
Here, okay, we'll share it. We'll share it. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, starting to rain in Batuu. It's really raining hard, huh? Woo. So the thing is, when we come with Kai, she's terrified of stormtroopers. So we never go through the first order side to go on Smugglers Run. Kai calls it Smugglers Run, even though it's Smugglers Run. I think it says about 30, so it's not too crazy. Hopefully it goes by fast. Ah. What happened? Yeah? This is a perfect time to wait inside a ride for a line. Rainy day in Batuu. It says it's 11:37 in the morning. So I'm explaining to Kai what's gonna happen. So if you're the driver, you're gonna be driving the Millennium Falcon. What does it look like? Well, that flying saucer is the fastest hunk of junk in space.
Whoa, what?
We gotta get the coaxium. Hello, hello.
No.
Hello, hello. That's Hondo Onaka.
Yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments.
So as an update for Smugglers Run, they used to give us these like cards that would tell you if you're a pilot, gunner, engineer. No longer doing that. They're just said, talk it amongst yourselves, what position you get. What are we trying to be? The drivers or what? The pilots? So we'll see if we get lucky.
We will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit.
Engineers, Kai, first time you've been engineer.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los
To
niños.
take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Yes, keep bashing those controls. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the movie. Yanks, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Oh, we did not die. Let's get out of here!
You're supposed to fix the Falcon. You broke it. So what'd you think about being an engineer?
Kind of fun.
It's the buttons are too far for you, huh? Yeah, I think we'll keep you as a driver next time. Yeah, let's go check Dok-Ondar, see if anything's new. See if anything's new over here at Dok-Ondar's. It's been a while since I've been over here. Oh, we got a case. Let's see. Oh, we got the Ben Solo. Got a Temple Guard lightsaber, Rey's lightsaber, Darth Vader's lightsaber. That Ben Solo's cool, huh, right here? I haven't been on Smugglers Run in a long time. That was awesome. The thing about Smugglers Run, like when I got off the ride, I started thinking like all these buttons and everything are things we touch. Everyone just touches all the buttons. I kind of feel like Disneyland, since they started adding hand sanitizers, they should maybe add hand sanitizers once you get off Smugglers Run. It would only make sense in my opinion, just because everybody's touching all those buttons, the handle. Whew. But it was a lot of fun though. We just got done with Galaxy's Edge. We did get a boarding grid, but that's not till later. We're out here with our friends just mousing around, and this is our Neverland. Check them out on Instagram for a lot of Disney magic. And they got the Mark Twain going. So cool. We ended up getting a reservation for Carthay Circle, but it's not till like about an hour and a half from now. So we might get on a couple more rides before we go eat. Look at the Mark Twain. Looking beautiful. Made our way over here by Haunted Mansion. A lot of construction going on. They're actually still working on it as of today for the big refurbishment. And you guys ever want to know where you can get the best churro in all of Disneyland? It's outside of Haunted Mansion over here. This is by far the best place to get a churro, trust me. We're gonna get one last churro before Disneyland closes. Over here at Haunted Mansion, they got the best churro. Always comes out warm, fresh. This is so good. How good is it?
Oh, I'm on keto. I can't eat it. So good.
Yeah. This is the last day of Disneyland. Woo! Oh my God! Everybody's coming out. Oh my gosh! Oh, yeah, don't leave Donald hanging. Oh, look at Mickey. We just got done with Disneyland. But we're going to Disney California Adventure. So we're going to California Adventure. We're calling it the Last Supper, which is going to be at Carthay Circle. That's probably going to be our last meal for obviously till who knows when, the end of March, or we'll see. But we're going to make the best out of our day today. And we're just having a great time. The girls just got done hanging out with Mickey Mouse, the boss. He was so nice today. Love you, Mickey. Just walked into Disney California Adventure, and it's pretty calm. Not too crazy. I feel like the crowd, most of the crowds are at Disneyland, huh? Yeah. It's not bad, but it's kind of slippery right now. Gotta watch my footing. Up next on our fun adventure today, we're going to Carthay Circle. I have no idea what's on the menu, but we're just gonna go with the burger. Here's some of the items I actually got. I heard the firecracker duck wings are amazing. So Carthay Circle has this lounge area, and you can actually go upstairs. Upstairs is where all the dining is.
Okay.
Whoa. This is what the menu looks like over here at Carthay Circle. I was thinking of going with the seasonal lamb. I ended up going with the lamb burger with french fries. This looks delicious. Somewhere in there is yogurt with arugula, onions, and I got it with the french fries. Man, this looks good. Can't wait to dig in. Let's see if it is. Final verdict. This is 5 fires. The lamb burger is so good. There's like 5 other flavors in here. Can't really describe them, but they're so good. They got amazing french fries at Carthay Circle. Highly recommend this. And one thing about Carthay Circle, it is located at Disney California Adventure. We just got done having lunch at Carthay Circle. It was a pleasant lunch. The waitress was amazing. The food was amazing. Highly recommend having a sit-down lunch or dinner at Carthay Circle. It's a little on the pricey side as everything's about 30 to 40 bucks. So be prepared if you can come to Carthay Circle, but I recommend it. Amazing experience. Just got done with Carthay Circle. We're now headed to Pixar Pier, have some fun. I think we're gonna get on the Pixar pal around.
The goal is lucky. I gotta sleep. Since life is sweet, you become still touch the breeze, and I help them. Yes, I do. Happily ever after.
I don't know the words. Where are you at, Kai? Where are you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? So we just got done with Little Mermaid. I don't know what's next. We gotta do the Ferris wheel. We're gonna do a Pixar pal around at some point, I think. For the silly symphony swings, and never has a line, except today. The line starts right here.
It says 5.
Holy smokes. There's a big long line.
It says 5.
Yeah, I know it says 5, but that's a long line, Kai. Oh my gosh. Wow, I gave him the option. There's no line too. I was like, swinging or non-swinging? What are we gonna do? Swinging! There's no way.
Oh, and if you've got little ones,
Ah!
be sure to keep an eye
Right now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, here it goes. Okay, hold on.
Oh!
You're not scared?
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! We're so high! Oh my god! Oh. What do you think?
Are we still going?
Oh. We haven't even made it to the top.
We're still
We
going.
haven't made it to the top.
We're at the top. We're going down now.
Oh, we're going down now?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Hold on, Kai.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh. Oh.
Dig straight down.
Oh my
Straight
god.
down.
There we go. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh. It feels crazy when it goes backwards, huh? Whoa. Oh.
Because we are going.
Woo. Look how high we are.
Wow.
Oh. Look at the Zerg. Alright, we're about to go on Jessie's Critter Carousel. It started sprinkling again. I think it's about 3:40 in the day. But thankfully it's not too bad. It's just a sprinkle. Just a small sprinkle. Yeah, let's do it. Jessie's Critter Carousel. Woo-hoo! Jesse's Critter Carousel. Yeehaw! Four, three, two, one. It's 4:30 right now, and boarding groups just hit 102 for Rise. We might get on Rise, Kai. That's crazy because we showed up like around 10. Boarding group 137, and we might get on. Such a good way to end our Disney day for March 13th. Woo! Just saying bye to Pixar Pier. Oh, we're gonna miss you so much. But what an awesome day we had today. Such a fun adventure. Beautiful rainy day, March 13th. Making our way all the way to Hollywood Studios so we could get on Monsters Inc.
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
This way!
We have a 2319 in progress. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. All units, here's the girl we're looking for.
We just got done with Monsters Inc. What an amazing day we've had so far at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. We've got to do a lot, surprisingly, but the crowds are kind of coming now that it's a little bit later in the day, as a lot of people just want to enjoy that one last day at Disneyland, as it's going to be shutting down soon. But we're making the best out of today for sure. We're about to get coffee and take a little break. Thank you guys for watching Five Fires YouTube. What a sad but happy day overall. March 13th, Disneyland and Disney California Adventure closing till the end of March. Hopefully it reopens at that time. But thank you guys for watching Five Fires YouTube. I appreciate all the support. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Cali Bay. We are faring it down. The Cali Bay is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mon. Oh, ow.